Hello everybody. Welcome back to Happy Wife, Happy Life. I hope you guys are having a wonderful Friday. If you guys are new to my channel, my name is Shelly. Hello. And it's nice to see you guys here. Make sure that you guys subscribe before you leave, and you're going to enjoy some wonderful content, okay? So basically, you guys, I have been working on my spring decor here in my house, and I have a lot of things that I want to show you, and I'm sharing with you each step of the way. So I have a couple of videos up already, and I'll make sure that I link them down in the description below so you guys can click on them and see them, okay? So today we're going to be working on our dining room. You guys, this is something that I try to do with every room. I like to shop my home and use items that I already have. I want to challenge you guys to do the same, just because we have so many beautiful items. Instinct is to go and run and buy all these new items, and then where do we store all this stuff, right? So what I like to do is usually just pick up a couple pieces for the season. So I want to show you basically what I'm going to be using today, which is the items right behind me. I like to lay them out so I can be able to see them. And so you guys, I'm going to be doing my dining room table today. I'm going to lay out a couple of items, play around with them, and I'm going to see what is the best look so far that I like. And so once I have everything laid out, I'm going to go ahead and make a list and then go shop for the items that I just need. This way I'm saving money, and I'm also buying items for specific reasons, okay guys? Because I know that we all get excited once we go into these stores that are full of beautiful, beautiful items. At least I'm guilty of that. And my mind goes everywhere and I want to buy everything. So in order to avoid that, sometimes I'll just jot down exactly what I need. Maybe some pink candles, hint, hint. You know, those are probably items that I'm gonna pick up for my dining room later on, and you guys are gonna see the final result in my spring home tour. So make sure you subscribe so that way you guys come back and see that once I have it up, which I'm almost there, guys. I'm so excited. Everything is coming together super, super awesome. Without further ado, let's get going and decorate this dining room. So here are the items that I have laid out, you guys. Basically, I have a mirror tray, which was on my dining room previously. Some of these items were already on my dining room, but I pulled them off to start with a clean slate. And so basically, right now I'm taking a look at everything that I possibly can use. I don't know about you guys, I'm not an expert in reference to being able to just place something right together and it look perfectly well. I have to play around with things. I actually do a couple of looks before I make my final decision. And so all of these things, you guys, except for these florals here, this is the only new item that I have. So you guys, I'm starting out with a plain dining room. I removed every single item from the table. I hope the lighting is not too bad, you guys. It is a little cloudy outside. guys enjoyed this video. Make sure that you guys comment which option you like the best, okay? I try to do a little bit for everybody, from the person who likes the simplest of decorations to someone who likes a little bit more. So let me know down there which one is your favorite, and we'll see which one makes it to the spring home tour. And remember, you guys, I'm always gonna add a little element of surprise so it's nice and fresh for you guys, and I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you and have a great day. Love ya.